Sendspark makes it easy to automatically send AI personalized videos in Outlook. So you can basically generate a list of 100 videos and then automatically send them out in your Outlook emails. It's going to look something like this. This is just a test I sent to myself that you can see. I have this video sent to me. If I click on the video, it's going to say my name with AI.
Hey, Bethany. I didn't really just say your name, and I'm not really.
So that's like one example. And then you can see I was doing some other tests where I'm like sending the same video, but this one's going to say Pablo.
Hey, Pablo. I didn't really just say your name.
And so the way this works is in Sendspark, I have my dynamic video campaign here, and this is set up with like a placeholder video. So I have my placeholder video, I have the settings enabled. I customize the landing page here out of my calendar, all this. And then what I can do is just type in contacts and their emails or upload a CSV. And when I add them to this list, a video gets created and an email gets sent. So this part's pretty intuitive. I'll leave this here. But what I'm going to show in this video is how to set up the automation. So after these videos get generated for each of these people, that email's automatically going to send in Outlook. And you can do this in the automated workflow section of Sendspark. So I'm going to walk through how to set this up from beginning to end. But basically what you're going to do is create a new automation. And the trigger is going to be Sendspark. And we're going to say like when a video generates, so new video generated from Sendspark, and I'm going to grab my Sendspark account because we have a lot of people here. So when the video generates, we want the automation to happen. I called this one Outlook demo, so I'm going to select that. If you're doing this and you don't see your video, just make sure to click update list to refresh this and then hit save. And then we're going to automatically send the email. Now with Outlook, there's actually 2 steps here. So we're not just going to send the email. We're going to do Outlook create draft email. We got to do this first. So we're basically going to set up our email and then we'll add a third action to send it. So in the setup, you can just fill out the field. So subject will just be whatever you want. I'm going to call it Sendspark video. Importance, normal. Urgent, you need to see this video right now. Okay, so you can do either text or HTML. If you're comfortable with HTML, I'd recommend doing this because that way you can actually embed the video like GIF preview in the snippet. And then we can also use other fields here from the Sendspark video. So I can say like, hey, first name, because I have this from Sendspark. Since this is HTML, we actually have to do BR for line breaks. So it'd be like, hey, first name, made you a video. I'm just making stuff up. And then I'll do another break and then I'll embed the thumbnail. And for embedding the thumbnail, I'm just going to copy this snippet in here. But basically what we're going to do is we're wrapping an image in a link. And the image is this nice animated thumbnail, and then the link is the link to the video. In this one, I also put the link in text as well. So you can do that too. So for the link, what we'll do is delete the placeholder and then search here and then search for video link. And then we'll grab that in from Sendspark. And then we'll do the exact same for thumbnail URL. So we'll get rid of that and then do thumbnail URL. And then now we have this here. And then if we wanted to do anything else, we can do like a BR and then best. So this setting up this is important. But the other thing that's very important is adding the to field. You want to make sure you have the email in. And again, we're going to grab this from Sendspark from that email field. So when we're basically adding our contacts into Sendspark, then we'll make sure the email's there and then we're using that to send it. And then the only other thing I'd recommend is just when you're testing this, add your own email in the BCC. So you can basically like send this to other people on your team or something test and just make sure those emails are going to you too. But if you're going to send this out at scale, you can remove that. So cool. Once this is good, you just hit save. And now this is here. And then the last step is you'll add action and then go back to Outlook and then just do send email. And then what you're doing is you're grabbing the message ID from the previous step. So we're going to be basically like we have the draft created in the other step, and then now we're sending in this step. And you can save, turn this on, and then now when you go back to that video in Sendspark, as soon as you add contacts, their videos will get created and then it'll get sent automatically. So I hope this helps you save a lot of time and scale your personalized outreach. Definitely let us know if you have any questions or there's anything we can help with.